So after 25 years of trading stocks and futures, I want to do a little bit now towards cryptocurrency and using technology. So a lot of crypto brokers don't have the sophisticated technology to help traders. So with TradingView, we do have the Slingshot, the bias depth heat map. And what I want to do is concentrate over the next few months on crypto spot trading. So for those people that get emotionally involved and want to buy something really cheap and hold it and hope that it will, 1000x or whatever it is, actually accumulating small 20-30% wins over a few days and keep getting in and out will get you there a lot faster. So I'm only going to be doing long examples today because not a lot of the brokers are sophisticated enough to do those shorts yet. But I want to go through the Slingshot, a little bit how it works. I'm going to look at some sort of couple of cheaper ones and then sort of a mid-sized priced crypto. So I'm going to start with XRP first. Very cheap, and remember, you're looking for percentage increase on the value that you buy it for. So if you buy $1,000 at this point, when you sell at this point, you're expecting to make X or N numbers of percentage increase on that $1,000. So let's look at this. So the Slingshot is it's one of the highest tech type of trading indicators that you'll find. We've only just got it for TradingView. It's taken 18 months to get it because we actually develop it for NinjaTrader. So what it does is looks for pullback zones and then gives you buy signals. Doesn't give you a buy signal every single pullback zone because there are rules. But the main thing is I've got a 30-minute chart here, but it's on a Renko ATR 14, okay, XRP USDT, and it's one of those things where we call it short-term swing trading. So what you're going to do is you're going to spot trade. You're going to buy at one point. You're going to follow the rules to manage the trade, and then you're going to sell at another point, and you're going to make X percentage. So let's work this out. So first of all, we get a nice pullback into this zone here. We get a type 2 buy. The buy signal is our first point of call. The bias depth heat map is our second. That's our confirmation, if you like. So we get signal confirmation. Then we're into this trade. We're good. It's doing really well. We've got a trailing stop at this point. So these trailing stops can be adjusted. If we look at this here, we can see at this moment in time our trailing stops at 21 EMA. We can be more aggressive or more conservative if we want. So if we change that to say 13, for example, this EMA is going to move up. We're going to be a lot more aggressive on there. Okay, as you can see, and on that top one. So if you want to be more aggressive, so we're in and out, that's where we'll be. So this actually entry was on a Monday, the 8th of July. We're going to do different times of the year on the other ones. And then the trailing stop was taken out on Saturday, the 13th of July. So, we're through the week with this trade. It's what we call a short-term swing. And spot trading is very, very crucial for this. For me, it's about accumulating those wins. So for me, I just really can't understand buying lots of different crypto at a really cheap price and hoping one day it will hit and you make a lot of money. I'd rather just keep accumulating spot trading. So this particular trade, if we measure it from that Monday to taking it out on Saturday, bear with me a second. So that is a 25%, 24.5% move. Okay, so you buy $1,000 worth of XRP on the Monday. On the Friday, you've made $250. Okay, you've accumulated that profit. Okay, the next time we get another buy signal, this time we get a 5 out of 6 on the bias depth heat map. That's pretty good. And again, it's about back testing for each of those signals. So we're always going to start with $1,000. So we've made now $1,250. So we've banked $250. So the next trade we get is on Tuesday the 16th. Okay, we get a nice signal there. hits target 1, target 2, target 3, continues to go and takes out the trading stop there. Remember, it's quite an aggressive trading stop. So again, let's have a look at that move in percentage wise. That's 11%. So we've made this week, we've bought $1,000 worth of XRP. The first week we made $250, the next week we made $110. So we're $360 in profit so far on this particular instrument. So let's go to Shiba Inu now, and let's talk about this one that's just happened in September. So we're in October now, but this was a type 3 buy. So this is a trend failure. Now, with this one, again, type 3 buy, we get the signal, we get the confirmation from the buyer's Depth Heatmap, we get a really nice trade up there, taking out that trading stop. So this, for example, is a lot cheaper than XRP, but again, you do it in the units. You buy $1,000 worth, or 100, or whatever you want to do. So then we measure this, and we can see this is a 36% increase. So we bought $1,000 worth of Shiba on Thursday the 19th of September. On Friday the 27th of September, so just over a week, we've made $36. So again, we buy $1,000 and we've made $360 profit. So again, we are now looking at 3 trades. They've all been profitable because it's a very high probability strategy. So now we go to something like Link. So this is, mid-range, $11, worth $11. So again, just look at it when you spot trading as a block of $1,000 or $100. So you just need to adjust the amount you buy. But again, type 1, type 2 buy here. All 6 time frames in the buyer's Depth Heatmap agreed. We've got signal, we've got confirmation, we go. Reasonably, I think what this is on now is a 21, so it's reasonably aggressive. So let's just measure that again. So that's 10%. Okay, so that's $1,000 bought, sell it, 10%. That went in on the 22nd of September 2024, and this came out on the 29th. The idea is if you've got a pot of money, say $5,000, get it in chunks of $1,000 when you spot trading. I've looked at 3 here, for example. Maybe look for 5 ones that are reasonably cheap, that move well. And add those up. So it's not just the 20%, the 10%, the 36% move. You're spreading your risk across 5 different cryptos. They're affordable. $1,000 for each is in the pot. You buy $1,000 worth, spot trade, and then you sell. It's usually 5 to 7 days, and you're out again. So you just keep an eye on this. So those people with sophisticated brokers that can short, the moves are much bigger. And this comes from my futures trading experience, in that gravity takes hold. So if you're able to short with your broker, these sort of moves are worth 30%. Okay, on Link, for example. So remember, all I've done is really looked at those longs today. But the idea with the TradingView Slingshot is that you've got the data coming through for the crypto, and if you just want to look for the longs and you want to keep it simple with the spot trading, get the signal, get the buyer's Depth Heatmap as well. The links are down below, and look for those moves. Now I want to go back to Shiba Inu. I just want to add, so with we're actually giving 6 months access to the VWAP Predator as well, with the special edition Slingshot for our launch. So the VWAP Predator allows you to what we call scale into a position. So this is an example here where I've switched a lot of the stuff off just to keep the chart clean, but we see these 2 buy signals. This indicates there is momentum building at this point. There's a lot more volume. So, for example, we've bought $1,000 here. We've got a spare $1,000 that we've not got into our other crypto that we are trading. Use 500 and add more. Buy $500 worth more at this point and add to your position. And get another one straight after, add another $500 worth now. So we're really, we're now at $2,000. Average holding positions around this point, again, because it'll average out. But now we're $2,000 into this trade. And that, with the average holding position moving to around about this point here, is, let's say, 25%. So all of a sudden that's a $500 move. And that's the power of technology when we're spot trading cryptocurrency. Please don't underestimate. Yes, you can buy something cheap and hold on to it for years and it could go. But really, spot trading using technology will get you to that 1,000% a lot quicker than actually hoping that at some stage the price is going to go up massively. Just get in and out, use it. Don't get emotionally attached. Use technology, Slingshot with the VWAP Predator to scale into positions, and then use your bias depth heat map there. So check out all the links below for those crypto traders. This is the way that crypto trading needs to move forward, by spot trading, not getting emotionally involved, whether it's 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, in, out, take the profit, move on.